In this video, we deal with our second important definition for dealing with electric circuits, and that's when two electrical circuit elements are in series. Two electrical circuit elements are in series if and only if the individual charges leaving the first circuit must enter the second element. Another way of saying this is same current. We'll see later this definition is very important in dealing with other circuits, elements like resistors and inductors, but right now we're dealing with capacitors. So in the capacitor below here, we see that these two capacitors are in series because if a charge Q1 comes in here, that will induce a negative charge on the other side. It does this by forcing away a charge Q1 out of the negative plate, which then goes to the next element, which then likewise pulls over a negative charge, forcing charge Q1 to leave that plate. Now, true, there's really no charge jumping the gap. This problem doesn't exist in other things. Capacitors are unique about that, but it's as if the charge went straight through all of these capacitors. Another important way to look, so this one is in series. Let me show you an example of not being in series. Here, some charge Q1 comes along. But at this point, some of that charge might choose to go this path, and some of the charge might choose to go to this other capacitor. When you have a branch like this at a node, it's as if cars are turning off the road. Some are taking the exit ramp, some are staying on the road. If that's the case, they're not in series. In series, they must all stay on the road. They have no exit ramps. Alright? So, this is not in series. And in fact, if we go here, this would be like Q2, and this charge would be Q3. Now, we do know something about conservation of charge, and that is that Q2 plus Q3 is equal to Q1, but the individual amounts are not Q1. Okay? Another way of saying this is that when you put an ammeter like this, every charge has to go through your ammeter. That is, you measure the same charge. Ammeters should be placed in series. Voltmeters, you want to measure the same voltage. So voltmeters should be placed in parallel. Alright, in the next video we'll show you how to combine capacitors that are in series and parallel. See you there.